Hi there, you're welcome to the 5-in-1 Smartphone Graphic Design course, a course designed for anyone interested in turning your smartphone to a design tool. My name is Obi Christian. I'm a course creator, I'm a graphic designer, and with my over 5 years of experience as a creative graphic designer and a course creator, I've helped hundreds to thousands of students master how to make stunning designs with their smartphone. And in this course, I'm going to do the same. In this course, I'm going to show you how to do flyer design, I'm going to show you how to do logo design, product packaging designs, album cover designs, and several other kinds of designs with your smartphone. I'm going to show you how to use Pixel Lab for designs, how to use Canva, Snapseed, how to use Lightroom to edit your pictures, and how to enhance the quality of your design outputs. In this course, I'm not going to show you how to do all of those. I'm going to really show you how design works. I'm going to put you through the principles of graphic design. I'm going to put you through the theory of colors and how to combine colors to achieve an eye-catchy output. I'm going to show you all of that in this course. If you have enrolled for this course, congratulations. And if you haven't enrolled, this is the best time to do that. So hit the enroll button and I will see you in class.